Wave, wave. Okay, it's cool. You can do it some more. Got. Okay, I'm just showing you real quick what my table looks like. It's really crowded right now. We had to come in early on Saturday morning. The show starts at 9, but this is what I have. I have some single signature traveler's notebooks. I got the kitty colors out front so the kids can bring the parents over. I got some extra Christmas journals right here, but here they are right here. Here are my hot cocoa packs with the peppermint. These are the planners right here. I just got to figure out how to put them on. Those are some extra keychains that I had that I just wanted to bring, and hopefully somebody will take them to the new home. These are the post-it note holders, the purse, and I also put the chain on them. These are just some different tags I just put in a bag and put a topper on. I think it's 10 in there. There's going to be $1. This is my dollar bin, the little note wallet thingies, and I think it's some the little notebooks up under the bottom down there somewhere. So I pulled them out. They somewhere in there. Here are my large notepad wallets right here. They're all up front. Here are the gumball machines. I got Minnie Mouse, Green Lantern, there's Superman, that's the Flash, there's Batman, there's Mickey, and then there's just two plain ones right there. These are the gratitude journals right here. Here are my oatmeal, my pumpkin spice oatmeal cups. These were last minute. That's why they're not tied. I just put a paper clip on to hold them. Here are my December daily kits. I just put out some, and I'm actually going to put those out. I only have 2 of those, and I'm going to see if I can get like $10 a piece for those. And then I have the decorative pillows right here. Let me go around to them. And here they are in this thing right here. And then this one says Lash Out. That's one with Chanel. This is another one, and it's upside down. They're just really pretty decorative girly pillows. There's another lip one, and there's the unicorn one. There's the unicorn one, and there's the lips. And behind the lips is Tasha's Craft Corner. Okay, so this will probably be better tomorrow because I won't forget my SIM card for my phone. We got extra boxes right here to stuff pillows with, and they're stuffing more pillows. And Kiara got, wave again, Kiara. She over there looking all gorgeous, all that melanin popping right there. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And then, see, and there she go. Look at her. And she's doing that one. So we're gonna get this together. Like I say, this will be better tomorrow. I'm just doing this on my phone right now, and yeah, we're gonna get this together. And I will let you guys know what sold and what did not sell on the video of the aftermath. All right, guys. Hey, y'all know what? I forgot to show y'all my shoes. Look at this. I'm gonna get down close. Look what my granddaughter made for me. Look what she made for me. Tasha's Craft Corner. Got my glue gun. Look at that. That was so cute. Yes. And we still got our Tasha's Craft Corner shirts. Hey guys, it's Tasha. This is a short recap of the craft fair. These pillows right here, I did not sell. I sold 1 pillow here, and I sold about 7 or 8 online. My granddaughter put them on her Snapchat, and people were buying them from there. And some people bought some from my daughter's place of business. I have about 7 of these left. These are the December daily kits. I have about 7 left. I only sold 1 of these, so this most definitely won't come back next year. And these are the oatmeal packs, the oatmeal cups. I have these 4, actually 6 of these that are left. I sold Batman and Flash. I sold almost all of these, but I'm not sure if I'll do these again. This is all I have left of my dollar stuff. So this actually did pretty good. I have a few other hot cocoa packs left, so those are okay. I have this much of my journals. So I may not make any new ones. I'll probably just sell what I have. I have 2 planners left right here. I only did 10. So I guess that was okay. These are the Christmas journals that were left. And these are the single signature traveler's notebooks. I think I sold at least half of these. So this is not bad. These were not bad. None of this is bad, really, if you think about it. The only thing that wasn't a great seller were these things. And it may be because of how I have them packaged stuff. How they look, like right here. But because it was late and I said, well, let me just stick that on. And I tried to do a bow at the last minute. You see, it looks horrible. So, but these pillows probably won't come back. I will see if I can sell those online and see what happens. So that is the end of the fair. As a matter of fact, we got about maybe 30 minutes. And then we're going to pack it up and keep it moving. Okay, guys, there it is.